Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2019 GMC Terrain and I will show you which fuses to check in case your radio is not powering up, there is no sound coming from the speaker, or if one of these USB ports here is not working. This video will apply to GMC Terrains made from 2018 all the way up to 2024. All of the radio fuses will be located in a small fuse box in the passenger's cabin under the steering wheel. It's gonna be right here under this cover. To remove the cover, you will have two black tabs, one here, one on the opposite side. You want to press them together and pull the cover off. And on the back side of the cover, you will also have a small fuse diagram. First fuse you want to check, it's a fuse number F6, which is a 5 amp fuse located right here, responsible for power to the amplifier. Next fuse you want to check, it's a fuse number F36, which is a 7.5 amp fuse located here, responsible for power to wireless charger module and USB accessory. Then the next fuse to check will be fuse number F39, which is just down here, a 10 amp red fuse responsible for power to instrument panel USB. And the main radio fuse, it's a fuse number F42, which is a 15 amp blue fuse in the bottom left corner. And these are all of the radio fuses. Now, if all of these fuses prove to be good, then you'll have to dig a bit deeper, make sure that the radio itself is operational. You'll have to pull it out, check all the connections behind the radio, check the radio antenna, and also what I would suggest in case you're having problems with the speakers not working, you always want to check the wires behind this rubber sleeve here at the driver's door, because quite often these wires get worn how you open and close the door, and that often is causing lots of different problems, especially with the radio. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.